How to fix Facebook Messenger something went wrong. Open the settings. Open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page you will find all the apps. Scroll until you find Messenger and click on it. Click on force stop right here and then click on the permissions. On the permissions page you have to enable all the permissions. Go back and then click on data usage and make sure that all these options here are enabled. Go back again and click on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, and now open the Play Store or the App Store. Search for Messenger and update it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.